I'm going to use this $3 set of bottles that I got at a garage sale to make my own version of fall pumpkins. I'm calling these botkins. I'll start out by giving each of these bottles 2 coats of DIY's Summer Crush. I'll be using IOD's sunflower mold to make the leaves to my botkins. And I'm going to use just a little bit of this baking soda to dust the mold so that the clay will release easy. Soften the clay and make it more pliable by squeezing it in your hands. Press it down firmly into your mold so that you'll get a good casting. And then you can use anything, an old credit card or whatever, to make sure that you scrape off the excess and get a flat backing. I like to flip my mold over and kind of roll out my casting once it's done. Here I'm going to be using IOD's Bohemia stamp. This stamp has been around for a long time but has some great elements on it. I'm going to be using the little arrows, and I'm going to stamp it with DIY's Salty Kiss, just to kind of give it a little grass at the bottom to kind of make it look like they're sitting in the pumpkin patch. After I cast my molds, I put them in the freezer for about 4 hours until I was ready to use them. Once they were thawed out, now I can paint them, and I'm going to be using DIY's Weathered Wood along with a little bit of DIY's Golden Ticket to give these sunflowers a little bit of flair. I'm going to trim out the center with my X-Acto knife so that I'm able to fit this over the neck of my bodkin. I added this cork top, which is perfect for the stem, and then I wrapped it with some twine. I'm going to be using IOD's Botanist Journal and some of the scraps that I had left over to give these botkins a little bit of prettiness on the front. Oh, almost forgot to mention, I did seal these with DIY's liquid patina before I did the transfers. Transfers really like when you seal first. So instead of adding the standard raffia, I found this cut glass in multiple colors at the dollar store. And I'm going to be adding it to the gap in between the mold and the twine, just for a unique feature. Now I'm going to touch up the twine with just a little bit of DIY's Gold Gilding Wax. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.